Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Monday, June 15th, 2020. Okay, and the signal to share for you right here is for AUDNZD. Okay, and if we look right here on the 4-hour chart, which I like to base all my signals on, we have a very strong signal to buy, correct? And the good news is this arrow that painted using my Excalibur trend indicator painted on the previous candle. Okay, so meaning the indicator is not repainted. So that's a very good sign. And we see right now that the price is kind of like bobbing up and down on the current candle, and that means there's a lot of indecision in the market right now. So there's a very strong probability that it will be going up now. But right now is not a good time to place a buy trade, because there's always that chance that the price could drop more. Okay, we don't know the future. But what we want to do here in this particular case is very simple. We want to draw a trend line marking our resistance. Once that trend line is broken by, say, 2 candles on the 4-hour chart, then we can place our buy trade. Okay, so to draw a trend line, all we have to do is go right here on the toolbar, click draw trend line, and then we're going to come from the top of this candle all the way down. Okay, and we're going to mark this high point. This one almost touches, these right here touch, and these right here almost touch. So this will mark our downtrend coming down, and all we got to do, like I said, is wait for 2 candles to break above. Once 2 candles have completed, then we can place a trade. So probably on the 3rd candle, I will go ahead and place a buy trade, and I would close the trade using the red arrow on the 1-hour chart. So you can drop down to the 1-hour chart like this and wait for the next red arrow. Okay, once this has been broken. Okay, now if you want to use just a 1-hour chart, you can as well, and I would wait for about 3, maybe 4 candles to break above and then buy. Okay, chances are if it breaks, or when it breaks, it will just rise sideways for a while and then eventually shoot up. Okay, now with this on the 4-hour chart, I do not expect this to break within the next 24 hours. Honestly, probably in the next 2 days we will see this break. Okay, that's just my guess. What will probably happen most likely is that the price will touch this trend line and come back down, and then go up again and finally break. Okay, so we're looking at 16 plus hours. Okay, so anywhere from 16 maybe 24 hours before this finally breaks. Okay, and once it breaks, we're still looking at another 4 to 8 hours before we actually place our trade. Okay, so I hope that helps a little bit. So very, very simple, right? This is my free daily signal. AUDNZD is the buy. Draw a trend line, wait for it to break. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. You can leave a comment in the description below, but best if you message me on Facebook directly. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. Please contact me there first. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can request to join my Facebook group and post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. Okay, so with that said, let me know how I can help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.